Hello and welcome back, guys. Let's start with the modules and packages here, step by step. Just we will learn this by step wise. Sorry, it will not work, so just delete this file. Step 1.py, and here in step 1 we need to define my function, pass the x parameter and return the num for num in range x if num modulo 2 equal to 0. Here we go, and here my list equal to my function, and we are passing here 17. So this is the step 1, and step 2 would be like sorry here. .py, and here import step 1 and step 1 dot my function, or you can say like that the my list dot append 18, and then here print step 1 dot my list is, and here if we run it, let's see result. Here this is the result for this over here. So thank you. I'll be back with next lecture.